Walking Macau Streets, colorful people, colorful buildings. I love this town.
I'm interested in this. This is what I'm interested in. So I'm going to be highlighting this. I'm going to tell you what it is. And then we're also going to go down this street here. And I'll also tell you what this is too. It's a little bit of a, I'll tell you right now, it's like recycling cardboard. The older. Oh, he's Thai. He's speaking Thai. Oh. So it's a hello. Thai restaurant?
Yes.
Ah, thank you. Oh man, you can just kind of feel it's like really musty. It feels like that. Oh, it's so weird. Because you can see a blanket up there too. Yeah, when you touch those steps, you can feel like footsteps. It's like it just feels so haunted. Oh, okay. They actually sell things in here. Looks really cool. Hello. That looks really cool. Oh, no worries.
Okay.
That's good. That shop, the Thai restaurant.
Yeah, Thai restaurant. Because on daytime we're doing the fast food, but the nighttime we're doing chef table.
Oh, okay. Shot tables, shots.
No, a chef table because our restaurant is just doing something really different from the other Thai restaurant. We bring the North Thai or Eastern food and Southern Thai that you can't find in other Thai restaurants.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna capture this street. It's called Velho is Armazém, Velho, Travessa. Anyways, I'm interested in this. This is what I'm interested in. So I'm gonna be highlighting this. I'm gonna tell you what it is, and then we're also gonna go down this street here, and I'll also tell you what this is too. It's a little bit of a, I'll tell you right now. It's like recycling cardboard. The older generation will bring that stuff in. So we're gonna walk all the way down and kind of show off this alley a little bit, and we're also gonna show off this spot right here and tell you about that too. We'll try to give you more detail about that. So so stay tuned for all of that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. So it's called Old Warehouse Lane. So Velho is old and Armazém is warehouse, which is kind of interesting. It's got this really beautiful building and there's so much traffic there I can't get across. But we're gonna get across. I guess we go. Sorry, gonna go right now. Run across, and then I want to highlight this. This is actually they incinerate the trash in here, but you have this really beautiful building, and it has some tiles right in here as well. So that makes it quite unique. And some of these they have this kind of stuff everywhere in Macau, and sometimes they beautify it, and sometimes they don't. But this one actually is. And then you can see you can throw away. They'll separate the stuff, empty. So they have all the instructions and visuals as well. And then you can actually, when you walk by it, there's an automatic sensor right here. So these things will start to open up, and then you just throw it in, so you don't have to touch it to put your trash in it, right? Looks like somebody didn't quite. That might actually fall out when I walk by. I hope not. No, it's full. Okay. So we're just gonna walk. I'm gonna highlight that in a minute, but there's a lot of tourists down there. They go to these coconut and milk shops. I really want to get sidetracked and all this other cool stuff, but we should not. There's somebody using it right now. So we're just gonna walk down our lane, the old warehouse lane, and we'll try to highlight the interesting stuff we see. And I'll try to come at it from a perspective as if it's my first time here, but I've actually been here other times too. These are little shrines. So there's little shrines like that, and then there's a big shrine right there. So that you can see that. That's really common. I forget the name of that, the Chinese name, but that's like the god of war. But it doesn't mean war. They're more like intermediaries from the spiritual realm to the physical realm. I guess if you think of it in Catholic terms, it's like having a saint intervene for you. Oh, this is really beautiful. Huh. Nice. Oh, he's Thai. He's speaking Thai. Huh. So it's a hello. Thai restaurant?
Yes.
Ah, thank you. I don't want to bother him. But that's a Thai restaurant right there. I didn't know that was a Thai restaurant. And then we come in here. This is for circulation, so this one you can take your shoes off and walk on that. And there's also some other equipment there. I'm gonna highlight this real quick because we have some balconies right there. We have the Thai restaurant right there. Look at that balcony up there too. So you can see that balcony with the glass up that way. So we're just gonna come through here real quick. Oh, okay, I think I remember this one. This is the old warehouse street, and we're gonna come up on some really old houses in a moment that look quite interesting. So we're gonna come up right here, and then you can see these old stairwells up here. Oh man, you can just kind of feel it's like really musty. It feels like that. Oh, it's so weird. Because you can see a blanket up there too. Yeah, when you touch those steps, you can feel like footsteps. It's like it just feels so haunted. I can feel it on my. I can feel that. Actually, whenever I've walked by this, I've felt that kind of haunted feeling. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, actually this one is really interesting. So if you came up here at nighttime, man, and the door's always open too. It's never closed. Okay, so we're gonna walk a little bit further. This one has alcohol. It's a little shop that has like a couch right there, and then also have alcohol, coin throw, Jim Beam, banana shops, and it says sleep everywhere. So I don't know, that could actually double as something else as well. So yeah, I wonder what that is. Okay, let's keep on going. Old Warehouse Lane. Ah, that looks pretty cool. Beca de Rosa. This goes, man, that goes into a really cool spot. So this is going to be our target street right here. So just remember that this is our focus. But I cannot not go down that way because it's a Rosa lane. This lane, I'm just going to go briefly into it. I'll just kind of show you why it's kind of cool. Oh, she's getting the cardboard. If you remember right, see, she's going to drag that cardboard, and I think she's going to drag it back to that corner there. So that corner was where the cardboard was at, and that little incinerator. And look at all the artwork right here. It's like a kitchen. Oh, okay. They actually sell things in here. Looks really cool. Hello. That looks really cool. Oh, it's a fruit. So it's Poiva fruit. So they actually sell fruit there. We're gonna go down just a little bit further. And if you keep going all the way down, you can go to Envenarios, and there's a little place where they play mahjong. They do, they'll watch television, and I guess I shouldn't go down too far because I really should target our target street. Urban art. That looks really cool. Really like that a lot. Okay. Check out this building right here. Check out that window. Got a cool looking window. And you got like this completely different kind of building right here too. Right next to this older building. Get these little alleys. I have gone down that alley before, but we're gonna just stay on our focus street. Hello. She waves, so here's a little place to relax. Soap life. A whole shop devoted to soap.
Sorry, just now I'm on the phone.
Oh, no worries.
Okay.
That's good. That shop, the Thai restaurant.
Yeah, Thai restaurant. Because on daytime we're doing the fast food, but the nighttime we're doing chef table.
Oh, okay. Shot tables, shots.
No, a chef table because because our restaurant is just doing something really different from the other Thai restaurant. We bring the North Thai or Eastern food and southern part that you can't find in other Thai restaurants.
Oh, okay. That sounds really good. It sounds tasty. I'm gonna come by there in the evening sometime.
Okay, just let me know. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that's cool. So they have Northeast Asian Thai food, which is like, yeah, Isan, maybe Chiang Mai as well, which is, I guess that'd be Northwest. I guess that's Northern Thailand. But yeah, Isan food, good. Yeah, it looks like such a cool little shop. So I think we might be coming up to the end of our street. Yeah, we do. So this is actually the last street sign we're going to see, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So that's our target right there. But as soon as you cross over, it goes to Pagoda. There's Ravine. It's like a coffee shop. Then we have a totally different feel down this way. Nice Jeep there. And we are going to come to an ending right here in a moment. We have our black and white tile street again. All kinds of cool stuff everywhere. Electronic shop. And then we are going to end right there. And actually this street looks really cool when I look at it from this angle, just the way that you can kind of meander down it. There's a Chinese dragon right there. Piccata Rosa Lane. Okay, so that is our little old warehouse lane. Let's go by that haunted street one more time. I feel like this is the spot where oh, this is the haunted spot right here. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.